The existing hardwood has been taken out of this room, of the hallway over here, and this is next. So you can see that the guys scored the plywood here, scored the hardwood here, just to make it easier to take out in sections, and they're going to chisel it out as they've been doing this whole time. A little bit of work, but it is coming out slowly. So once this room is done, we're going to put some leveling cement on the floor because it is rough, as I mentioned, and we want to have a nice smooth surface for the new hardwood to be installed. So once that's done, we can proceed and install hardwood in this entire basement area. See, the hardwood is there, ready to go. Need a little bit more than that, but we're going to install that hardwood, the same as upstairs on the main and second floor, so that natural looking hardwood in this entire basement area.